Good one, Mitchell.
Hold on.
Is it supposed to be winding like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how you play tetherball.
Oh.
There's a point, like winning is...
Good throw. Whoa, look out.
You win by getting the thing all wrapped up. Okay, be right there.
I'll be right there.
Okay, come on.
Good throw. Game over.